Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stir-fry rice on a Blackstone griddle. This easy guide will help you create a fantastic meal with minimal fuss. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice, 1 pound of your chosen protein, and 2 to 3 cups of mixed vegetables. Prepare everything by chopping it into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ensuring a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Turn your Blackstone griddle to a medium-high heat setting. Once hot, add about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, spreading it evenly. Next, add your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or shrimp. Cook it thoroughly, stirring occasionally until it's perfectly browned and cooked through. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. With your protein cooked, it's time for the vegetables. Start with harder vegetables like carrots and broccoli, cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add softer ones such as bell peppers and peas, cooking for another minute or 2. Next, add your 4 cups of cold, cooked rice, spreading it out. Finally, pour about 1/2 cup of your favorite stir-fry sauce evenly over everything, ensuring good coverage. Almost done. Now, using 2 spatulas, thoroughly mix all the ingredients together on the griddle. Ensure the sauce coats everything evenly and the rice gets a nice sear. Continue cooking and tossing for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is piping hot. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed, perhaps with a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil. Garnish with fresh green onions and serve your fantastic stir-fry rice immediately. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.